Man, Smart Money Gang, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to the channel, guys. Man, look, I know, man, I've been slacking, I've been slipping, man. I didn't drop a video yesterday because I told you guys that after I did the pre-market analysis, I was going to do the technical Tuesdays, guys. So I was going to do technical Tuesdays, mark up a few charts, and basically show you guys how I would determine my trades, right? I wanted to drop a video yesterday for like a scalping strategy, but I got tied up in doing some things, so I could not drop that video for you guys. So today is like where I get my technical analysis from for the week, so that we can finish the week out strong, guys, because we want to be on the right side of the market when it's closing, so we can be able to take this trade to the maximum of whatever percentage we're trying to get for that week, guys. So today is Tuesday. Like I said, you guys should be happy, man. I didn't have this. I didn't have no one to show me this. So I was like, hey, you know what? Let me get back and let me do this for um my peoples, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer on because we don't want to be all year with this. I'm just gonna do a few pairs, right, that we've been working on. Maybe like all USD. What else we been working on, guys? Oh, USD, CHF, Swiss francs, and a couple other ones. But yeah, I'm about to give y'all guys the rundown of the game. You already know what time it is, man. We're gonna share the screen. We're gonna put the start timer on, so these videos won't be too reckless. And then yeah, we about to go ahead and break it down, slime. So I believe we already got this board set up basically how we want it. Um, a lot of this stuff is irrelevant now, so we're gonna delete, 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 delete. And then we're gonna try for a more cleaner chart, and we got to do a more like a little bit more adjusting. That's exactly why I said I usually like to do my my bias. I usually like to do my bias on Tuesdays, right? So pre-market Sunday, Tuesday is my whole bias for the rest of the week. I'm trying to see where I'm about to be at, guys. Pretty much like that. So, all right. So now, we'll get. I guess we can use the same buy level. We can use the same sales zone as far as the monthly is concerned. But what I do want to do is, um, I want to draw out any type of trends that I see, guys. So when I see a few hits, I want to just draw some trends and things of that nature. Stop me a little sell line here. Little buy line here. Settings. Put me a little buy line right here. All right, so now I got me a little trend line going on. I'm starting to see like a bullish, a little bullish channel, bearish flag. I see that going on. And mind you guys, we're in all USD. So that's pretty much my lowest level was pretty much here. Yeah, it went all the way down, but that was because it hit a key level, guys. So I'm not gonna really count that. And I mean, well, it's already there, so I don't have to put another one there. But my next confirmed higher low, I'll go ahead and put that there as a main target when price got to this area. Boom, and continue. So that's my continuation area. Plus, I had troubles here. It was resistance here. Plus, it was support here. Right. All right. So boom, we got that breakdown. We got the monthly on there. We got our monthly levels too as well. And then we can drop down to the weekly. So for the weekly, man, dude, we want at least half of this, that half layer marked out so that we can understand, okay, price could always get to that, that half layer, right? So we'll always, put that on there for the weekly zones. So we'll go there. And so in between this 60,000 and 80,000, we'll put a range, right? We'll put a ranging zone right here. And then for coordinates, we'll put 70,000. So we got that 70K line, then 80, we got that 90K line right here. What price could come and chill if it wanted to. Okay. All right, guys. So now we had these we got our key levels, we got our weekly minor levels. So we got major and minor levels on the charts. We got our high and our low for the monthly. Now we can get our high and our low for the weekly, guys. Which, as you see, uh, uh, that buy area right here. So no, not a buy limit. Yeah, we could put a buy limit right here. I don't want to be too messy, guys. So we could put a buy limit here. Well, actually, we could put a buy point right here because this is still a weekly zone. That's heavy. That whole weight, man. Price get there, it might just be a bunch of buyers waiting. All right, so we'll do that. We'll put our buy point here. Then we'll come here and put a sell point here. All right, and two, guys, you really want to be accurate, so you want to move this stuff um, using a line graph, guys. So that's just, a little FYI. If I haven't told you guys, so sell point. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so now, boom. So now, yeah, we on point. Now you know what I'm saying? We right on point. And then we right on point here for the buy zone. Right? So right on point there. We right on point for that. And then, like I said, for the weekly, we on point, guys. So this is what we seeing. Me, I like to be all the way not legitimate, man. So I like to put everything I see, knock it out the way. So when I'm in between these parts and these zones, I know exactly where I'm at. So you have to be like, man, why you putting so many lines on this and that and the third? I have people tell me, why you put so many lines on? Bro, do it as you please. I'm gonna do as I please. But I just know I'm more so likely to catch the bag than you. Because I have all my areas marked off. I'm not scared to put areas because somebody said, oh, that's too many areas. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I like to fill in these solid joints so I can understand what's going on. So then I drop down to the daily, and I gather more facts, right? So right now I'm gathering facts. So I'm just looking for limits, my sell. I don't need the big stupid lines right now at this point. I just need some sell limits to give me guidance so that I can understand where I'm at. All right. I don't really need them everywhere, but as long as it's confirming a lower low, then that's when I'll put it there. So this was a high and then a lower high. So now I know, okay, we might be in a down trend. All right. So that's for that point, right? That's for that point, and then I'll give me a buy area going in too. So I'll go to settings, and I'll go to buy limits. Right. So therefore now I have a buy limit, right? So now I'm gonna try to trend myself so I can know, okay, what kind of trend I'm in as far as the daily going, right? So I want all my touches. I want all my touches in a row, bro. I want all my stuff lined up. So uh, no matter what, I'll understand. I'll understand the behavior of what's going on, even if whatever's going on by trend. So now I will put, I'll keep that way, and then I'll go to setting, and I'll put a buy trend or a buy line. A buy trend line, right? So now I got my buy trend line right here on my daily. So now I'm knowing where I'm at as far as my daily, no matter what is going on, right? And like I told you guys, everything is not pretty, but you want it at the touches because You know what I'm saying? Later on in life, like right here, it touched here, then it came touch here, touch here. I came and touched here, right? Same difference. As here, it came touched here, here, now here, right? So we want those levels marked off because we want to understand where we're at. It's not for everybody else to understand. And then, like I said, I put the red, so that just let me know, okay, resistance, resistance, resistance. I put the blue, support, support, support areas, right? So now I know in support areas, right? So now I know support areas. All these areas down there are supported areas. All these areas up here is resistance. All these areas right here are resistance. All this red is resistance. All this blue is resistance. So now I got my resistance and my support locked in for those. Now I just come in and put my weaker ones on. All right, so now we see how all that's lining up. Price came here, you could have sold off. Price came up here, you could have sold off. Here, you could have sold off. Right, price came here, you could have bought. 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 Here, you can buy. Right, or you can wait to see if it's gonna go down a little more and then buy. Right. So, anyways, so this is what we got going on right now as far as locking good information in. You know, so right here, I could put another confirmed lower low. So we could put another limit here, and then we're looking like we're at a confirmed higher low. So we go to settings, and we could put this buy limit here, right? So now, all right. So now, okay, sorry about that, guys. So now, we got our support areas all marked up, and boom, that looks crazy. That looks blah blah blah. Like I say, that's all on to you and what you want to do. I cannot control that part. I'm just giving you my general lockdown, my general, so you can jump shorter and go down to the smaller time frames if you want. Mark those up. But me, I love marking my area up so that I know where I'm at, guys. And then, like I said, man, I don't want to make this video too long, and then after that, I will come here again. And then I will get my facts in order, go to settings. I will go to, uh, put my sell limits up, right? I want to see what price is doing. All right, so now I got my sell limits up. Um, let's see. Looking like we had a what's name, but me personally, I'm awake. It's not that serious. Right now, I can probably figure out what shapes I got going on. Right. Figure out what kind of shape I got going on up here. Now I could turn this one into a buy limit trend. Right. And then we got this area. I will go and put settings, and I will put a sell limit trend. Right, so it's not too messy, but I can understand what's going on. Right, and so now I can base my trade. So now what I'll do is I'll turn my candles back on, right? And then now if I'm looking at this area, and if I'm looking at this area correct, I'm looking at this area correctly, then I'm waiting on price to break this trend. And then I can do take profit here. First take profit, second take profit, third take profit. Or I'm looking at price to break this support, retest, and then I'll look for the sale, right? And then I'll look for these areas. Then I'll look for these areas right here to take profit. First take profit. They're not gonna let me zoom in no more. All right, second take profit, third take profit. So me personally, I'm set up for this pair, right? Now I am set up to make any type of trades that I want to off of this pair, right? And then now if I wanted to scalp, I can go down and scale in. I can say, all right, price break here, and then I can take it to here, or take it to here to this next level. Then we can scale down to the 1 minute and see, like, all right, what is price doing? Trending. Can we break it down? Can we do anything? Can we see anything going on here? And as you see, we got another trend line setting, uh, buy trend line. And then we got this sell line right here. So, we identifying all the patterns that we can as much as we can. And that way it'll either keep us safe out the market or, hey, okay. It might keep us safe, or it might hinder us. So it all depend on, how you are as a trader. But like I said, as soon as price got to here, boom, price shot back up. Price got to here, shot down. Price got to here, shot down. Price got to here, shot down. So we know this is a confirmed pattern. So we need to watch the break of, um, this pattern, all right? So I don't want to make the video too long, but this is how I go in and I find my support and my resistance levels, my patterns, my shapes, and then my levels as far as where I can take profit. Now, go to your charts, set up your charts, do this, and see the levels that it hit, and try to base your trades off of there, and then let me know in the comments if this worked for you guys, if this helped you out. Um, and yeah, man, this is gonna be my technical Tuesdays. If you want a bigger, you want more in detail, full detail, then you already know what to do. SMSFX mentors, and then like I said, I could teach you correlation. I could teach you, a trading style, a trading plan. I can give you different types of entry points, ways to enter into the market, different shapes and stuff like that. And also, if you don't want a mentorship, you want to figure this out on your own, I have a free Discord, free YouTube channel, which is you're on right now, free OnlyFans, and then you can go on there and you guys can go in there and dig and go, look at your strengths and your weaknesses and go in there and practice and index it, and use it to better off your trading, guys. So basically, um, yeah, this is what we got going on. Um, um, you know, we always following the trend. Um, and and guys, I'm really doing this really off the love, man. I'm doing it for you guys to go out and tell someone else that might be interested. Hey, go check this out. He got this stuff for free. Go check out this knowledge. Go try it. Go demo it out. Hey, right. So, like I said, man, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. You already know Smart Money Gang, man. We going into this money. We going into this these charts with a trading plan, risk to reward ratio, right? Risk management. We know how much we're going to use when we're taking placing these trades, guys. So you already know, man. Follow my Instagram, Facebook, all that, man. I'm already signing out. It's your boy, man. This is how I'm gonna do my technical Tuesdays. I'm gonna get my charts and everything together, and I'm gonna be ready, right, so that I can understand which way the trend is gonna go, right. Uh, and man, that's pretty much it, man. It's your boy, man. I'm signing out. Like I said, try this, guys. Train your eyes to where you can see it without it. If you can see it without it, good. But try to train your eyes with using clean charts, right? Stochastic RSI and just clean charts, guys. And try to, like I said, you can break all this down. You don't got to break all that down on the bigger charts if you don't want to. But me personally, I do it because it keeps me in my square, and it lets me know, okay, boom, price came here. Let's say I missed this drop. When I came back, price confirmed me another lower high. So I'm looking for sales, guys. It's just easier for me. I'm not saying it's going to be easier for you guys, but try it. And if you like it, let me know. And you already know what time it is, man. SMSFX, and it's your boy, and we out, gang.